Lamborghini Gallardo Supertrofeo EVO II. This exactly car is in our ECPS Group private collection. We have bought this car back in 2016. It's been made in 2013 and it is European winner of championship of Lamborghini Supertrofeo series from 2014 year. So this car comes with the great history. Over the years we had this car in our collection. And in the end, we got a customer from Taiwan who ordered from us a complete Supertrofeo EVO II exterior package to upgrade his road car. So we are working on this package for a while. We've taken out the original parts from the car, except the front fenders, because the original Supertrofeo extended front fenders we had in stock, and we had to repair those parts. The main issue with the original parts is that they have been made of carbon fiber and they had to be super light. But during the production, the factory didn't care about the quality of the parts, so all of those surfaces were not perfectly flattened. We had to put quite a lot of filler on each part, so that's why I prepared over here the front bumper to show you how we had to repair it before putting on primer and flattening the final surface of this bumper. So you can see underneath and all the edges had to be repaired. After flattening the surface and after priming and flattening the surface, we are doing the molds of the parts. So every single produced part will have much better surface. So then, after the production, like here you can see the bare rear engine hood, it's going to be sanded and primed, because this hood is made to be painted in the color of the car, so we didn't have to care about the carbon weave. But the parts like extensions of the rear bumper, you can see they have perfect carbon fiber weave, which will be clear coated, and then it will get a bright deep shine effect. Here we have the molds of this Supertrofeo EVO II of the parts. We have made two types of the rear spoiler, because this one exactly, so that's the original rear spoiler. It comes from the Lamborghini Supertrofeo EVO I or Lamborghini Supertrofeo road version, so Supertrofeo Stradale. This exactly wing can be put onto a road car. This car is usually going for the racing car, but the idea of this entire kit, we are planning to make those kits to be fitted on the road cars. So here you can see the molds we've been done so far of those parts. Where we will be preparing our complete exterior kits, we will also add the side skirts, because the side skirts we are doing the works. Roof scoop will be optional. And beside that, we nearly have all the parts except the rear diffuser, which is during the reparation before making the molds.